Hello everybody, Princess and the Bear here. We're gonna go do something we don't normally do here in Magic Kingdom, and we're gonna go laugh. Not that we don't laugh a lot, but a lot of the shows here aren't that funny.
He doesn't like this show, but I do.
I don't like this
I
show.
like it a lot.
So we're gonna go check.
Be that guy.
Maybe I'll be that guy. But let's go check it out.
Sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
But definitely the best. We're home to the funniest monsters that ever roamed Monstropolis. Just a few short years ago, our world was powered by your screams, and we at Monsters Incorporated would go door-to-door and collect those screams from kids all over the world. It was simple. The more screams from you, the more power for us. But then, I discovered that human laughter was 10 times more powerful than scream. Whoa! So, got out of the scare business, and now we're making money with the ha-ha. Now this you're gonna love. Instead of sending monsters into your world, I came up with a brilliant idea of the laugh world. So we invite you into our world. Not laugh as if an entire city were depending on it. Because it is. As is my job. No pressure. Don't worry. So there you have it. Today, Monsters Incorporated is generating more energy with human laughter than we ever did with Scream. So don't you worry. There's nothing here that'll scare you. What's that? Ah! Roz! Why do you always have to do that?
It's a hobby. Now what were you blabbering about, Wazowski?
I was just telling the humans that we're after the laughter these days, not the scream.
Call me sentimental, but I still miss the screaming.
We'll be opening the doors in just about 3 minutes. But for now, here's a taste of the sophisticated, highbrow humor that awaits you inside.
Hold that tape, Wazowski. I've been tough on you and I feel so bad. So to make it up to you, I've assembled clips of your best work.
Really? I can't wait. Play, boss. Hey, hey, hey!
Feelings, Wazowski? Was this the part? Or this? How about this part? Oh, that one hurt.
Stop! Stop! As you can see, comedy is hard, and sometimes painful. And it can be difficult to know just what is funny, especially for monsters who are new at this whole comedy thing, like Roz. That's why we have the Monsters University School!
Lovely! Monsters University is training the top laugh makers of tomorrow today! Monsters learn how to be funny in a safe and nurturing environment where we all care and share together. Offering classes in prop comedy, physical comedy! Deadpan! And even jolly monsters of comedy! While others, they're just getting started. Knock knock! Who's there? It's your future! It's University!
All right, this is exciting. We're just about to open the doors to the laugh floor.
Girls.
Bring out the logo, guys! designed it myself. Okay, here we go. Stay inside, everybody.
Don't spray you in here, right?
No, they don't.
The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans. Oh, very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, this is your first time in a monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're after your laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Okay, folks. Phew. Are you ready for our first act? Well, here they are, Sam and Ella.
Hello, humans! Excellent job, everybody! Hello there, my name is Sam, and this is my sister Ella. Together we are Sam and Ella. My sister here is an expert in geography.
Of the human world.
What?
Surprise! I've been studying the map behind us. I can name the capital of any human country in the world.
Okay, I'll test you. Humans, help me out. Shout the name of the country. Good one. Kiddo, what is the capital of Australia?
The capital of Australia is A. Yippee! I did it!
No, that's not what. Forget it. Forget it. Let's move on. Let's do this. Let's talk to a human. Let's find out where they live. You can give us info. Could be anyone.
Except for that guy. Yeah. Look, he made everybody dress up just like him.
Oh, yeah. Excellent. All right, let's do this. Humans, help us out. Throw your hands up in the air if you know where you live. We'd love to talk to you, so raise them and wave them. Evening today. They don't know where they're going. Okay. This lady's got a hand up. Let's get your turn. Hello, nice lady in the pink hoodie. I'm Sam. This is Ella. And what is your name, please?
Francesca,
Hello, Francesca. Where are you from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Oh, Venezuela! I know all about Venezuela, a frozen tundra near the North Pole, famous for Santa Claus and the Eiffel Tower.
Okay. Is that right?
No. That's not right.
Next.
Thank you very much. I'm so sorry.
Boy, was she confused. Stay at school. Okay, let's do another one.
Okay. If
There's a fella who has been staring at me.
I wonder
Yes,
why.
he has, because I'm cute. There he is, right there.
Oh, look.
Look at
Hello, sir. What's your name?
I'm from
You're from
Brazil.
where? From Brazil. And what is your name?
Hisha. Joseph
Hisha.
Jose Ricardo.
There was like 10 names at once. Okay.
You just be Hisha. Hosanna.
Hishan?
Hisha.
Hishan?
Hisha.
Hishan.
Yes.
Hishan.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, I got it.
I'm from Brazil.
He wears pants in the family. Look at that. They're plants. I mean, look at that. South of Vegas, north of Guadalajara, and home to the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, wait. You just read her.
Oh, finding true love was my mission. Fa la 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 la. I found a new boyfriend. It's Hitchin. Fa la 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 la. He will bring me pretty flowers. Fa la 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 la. And we'll meet together under Brazil's Eiffel Tower. Fa la 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 la.
Let's hear Alexis now.
Let's see how it is. Oh, 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hello, human! Oh, that's great. You guys all remembered everybody except that guy. Love that guy. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, my name is Buddy Boyle. But what I didn't get to tell you earlier is that tonight I'm here to debut my brand new mind-reading act. Yes, I have the power to read minds because I'm telepathic. What I need is for a mind to read. I believe the powers are pulling me. They're pulling me over to this side of the theater. Why are they picking me? Pick you. Hi, nice lady. How you doing? Buddy Boyle. What is your name, please?
Patty.
Correct. Excellent job, Patty. Patty, could you do me the honor of picking a number between 1 and 50? Do you have any number, Patty?
Yes.
Good. I need you to share your number with the audience.
Over your head.
See, supermarket sweet lady, what are you talking about? Okay. I need you to tell the audience your number, so they will be amazed when I guess you're right. But don't worry, I'm going to close my eyes first so I don't hear you say it. So I have to pay you $5. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Tell the audience your number, Patty. Have you told the audience? Patty, it's a yes or no question. Have you said the number? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. You were whispering into a microphone. Okay, Patty, hands on your head, Patty. Nice. I need you to make antennas with your fingers now. Little antennas. Can you put them up there for me? Or moose antlers, even better. That's a good move, Patty. Okay, Patty. I need you to rock your head from side to side. We're going to shake your number loose out of your brain. Shaking it loose. Shake it loose. With antennas. 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 Good. Now I need you to make the telepathic sound of... Kitty girl. Can't believe you did that, Patty. You from Chicago?
Yes.
Oh, that explains the $5 thing. Okay, Patty. I have your number, 41.
My age.
This is getting more bizarre every time you say something, Patty. Is your number higher or lower, Patty?
Lower.
41. I can't believe this is a mess. Oh! It just hit me at 7! Give it up to Patty, everybody! I couldn't have done it without her! Patty,
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right.
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mole on my head.
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski.
Hey, look at all of these humans here. You guys sent me jokes. You want to hear them? Say, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. This is from Kevin in California. What do mice eat for breakfast? Say what? What? Mice Krispies. And this is from Will and Stella, who are both what? What? It gets jalapeno business. I want one of you kids out there to help me out. Raise your hand up really high if you're a kid and you want to help me out. I saw a hand go up really fast. Yeah, there's a kid right over on this side. And he's got on a shirt that looks like it's got a rodent on it. I'm not sure. Hi, my name's Marty Wazowski. What's your name?
Brian Harris Jr.
Hello, Brian Harris Jr., right?
Yes.
Hello, Brian Harris Jr. What grade are you in?
Second.
Wow. My Uncle Mike says that's the toughest 3 years of his life. Whoa. So I got a great joke for you, Brian. Okay, Brian Harris Jr. Okay, so this is from Everett from Florida. What kind of monster makes his home on the golf course? Say what?
What?
The bogeyman. You like that one? That's a very good one. So what do you want to be when you grow up, Brian Harris Jr.?
Military.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You know what I want to be?
What?
The one in the room that gets all the laughs. Just like that guy. Bye-bye, everybody. How about a great big hand for
Look at there. Wasn't he great? Oh, and look at that. We did it! We killed the cat! What do you think of that, Buzz?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh, yeah. What's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.
Well, that's our show. Thanks for your laughter. And goodbye, humans!
Hello everybody, Princess Nevera here. We just got out of Bunch's Laugh Floor.
Yes,
I have to admit,
I like it.
it's not as painful as I remember. I chuckled a bit, like honestly chuckled.
It's like a funny Turtle Talk with Crush.
And it's shorter, I think. Remember last time being a lot
It
longer?
was the same time. You just were so bored that you felt like it was 30 minutes when it's not.
You can see how much I didn't like it last time. But definitely, it's a nice little break from the sun. Sit down, it's a decent show. The kids will love it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Just absolutely eat it up. Have you guys been? How do you guys think? Is it your favorite thing in Tomorrowland? Maybe, maybe not. What's your favorite place? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you there. Hit the notification bell. You want to see other videos like this. And we'll see you soon.
Should subscribe.
You heard the girl.
The future of literacy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA.
Oh,